guys, what's up? It's Aaron Extreme here today, and as you can see, you guys probably think I'm on some other version. I'm not. I'm still on mobile, but they updated the game, and yeah, there's new controls, but I like the regular. And there's skins now, so I already tried this out, so we're gonna go ahead and try out America. And I'm actually going to go ahead and tell a story about the time a bird pooped on me. Yeah. It's going to be quite interesting, just saying that. So, it was just a regular day. I was just playing my phone, the games on it, Then suddenly, there's just this. My sister's just like, there's a bird, and she's like, it's on the ground and stuff, and I'm like, what are you talking about? Birds fly. And then she's like, no, I picked it up and stuff, and I'm like, what? I didn't believe her at first, So then I went ahead and went outside. Well, this was all in the backyard. Then there was literally a little bird there, just standing around. So, I'm just like, what? And it was like a little baby bird as well. So I was guessing can't fly, because it would have flown away already. But it wasn't not flying away. It was just standing there. So, I just walked up to it, and I was surprised it did not fly away. It's just as I was saying, it probably was learning to fly or something. So it just sat there. And, it literally sat there. It didn't move away. It just stood there, looking at me intensely. And I was like, kind of confused. So I decided to just walk up to it some more. And I reached out my hand. I reached my hand towards the baby bird. I was expecting it's a baby bird. So I just reached my hand out towards it. And so I kind of pushed it with my finger. I poked it. It just stood there still. So, later on it just and then a few moments later, it literally, it grabbed my finger with its claws. With both of its feet. And I'm just like, aw. It was quite painful. Because claws hurt. For those of you who have not felt it before, they hurt. But you deal with it. And, well, the next thing I'm just like, aw, I just stroked the bird. Just I just rubbed its little feathers. And then, I felt something on my finger the next moment. And you know what? It was literally bird poop. I took the bird off my finger. And then I was like, what the? Okay, I'm just gonna go now. I was quite mad at the moment. And, literally, I was quite mad. Alright, let's go ahead and eat this guy. I was literally mad. I took it off instantly, and my sister was like, ha ha ha, I pooped on you, ha ha, so funny, ha ha ha. And I'm like, it's not funny, it pooped on me. But she kept on laughing, she didn't care. Literally. She just thought it was really funny. That's all she thought. That's all she thought of it. She just thought it was funny. It would have been funny, but if I wasn't the victim. So I decided to go ahead and run inside my house and go ahead and wash my hands. And like after that, I just stayed inside. I didn't want to go see that bird again because it was probably gonna poop on me again. But you know, things aren't that likely. I'm sorry, I'm kind of intense in the game. So I just stayed inside, and that's pretty much the end of the story. It was weird. Oh, I hope you guys enjoyed that story about the time a bird pooped on me. Quite disturbing. Oh, no! Alright. Well, guys, that's where I'm going to end this video. If you guys enjoyed, please leave a like and consider subscribing if you are new. And as always, wait, actually, if you ever got pooped on by a bird, go ahead and comment down below saying, bird poop. Hashtag bird poop. Alright, yeah. Alright, well, that's gonna be the end of this video. If you, let's see, I forgot how I end my videos for a second. Leave a like and consider subscribing if you are new. And as always, take care and peace out, everyone.